24-hour survival challenge. I've got one more crab. I've got another cave over here. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. From the middle of the jungle, look at this lovely jungle in the background, and it's raining over here. And this video is going to be about 24-hour survival challenge with no food, no shelter, no water. And you can see there is a Khukuri in my hand. The only basic things I need today for this survival challenge. And this is my camera bag, protected with this polythene because there is extra battery inside this bag for my camera, and there is a power bank, and there is a video light with battery. And this is a very dense jungle, and even I don't have any raincoat, so let's start. The main three challenges for today's survival challenge will be to source food, to find a proper shelter, and to find a drinkable water. Since it is raining heavily, all the water resources will be dirty, so it is very hard to find drinkable water, and it will be difficult to light a fire. Due to rain, all the wood are wet. Let's hope for the best. I don't see anything usable over here except some spider which I cannot eat, and this prawn. But I can see some bamboo plant over there. If possible, I will find some bamboo shoot which can be eaten. But before searching for this bamboo shoot, I will try to find some water stream. If lucky, then I may get some prawn, some crabs, and if possible, some fishes, small fishes. There may be snakes beneath this prawn, or maybe python, or maybe some other insects which can sting. So I must be very careful. It's still raining over here, but the good thing is that I can hear a sound of water, some kind of river. So there may be some river nearby, so I'll go watching for river this side. Finally, after some moment, I have reached a river. I have found a river. I think due to heavy rain, it has become big. So finally, I have found the river. Due to heavy rain, a few hours ago, it has become a really big river. So I have to come from the side. And I'm still looking. It is difficult to reach over there. So this challenge is really going to be a very difficult one for me. And still raining. Look the height of the water. It's slippery too. The rocks are very slippery over here. I'll go up this way. I'm searching for suitable shelter. I haven't got it, and it's very hard to find because this jungle is so dense. Look at this. Even I don't have a way to go over another side, so finding a good shelter and food is becoming harder and harder for me. But let's not lose the hope. Keep on searching. Let's go. Keep on searching. Look at these stones and these gravels. There must be some landslide in the past. I'll be needing this. I can see a lot of mushrooms. I don't know whether this can be eaten or not. Look at this beautiful mushroom. Finally, after a search of almost 2 hours, I find a natural cave, a small cave, not a big cave. Now the rain has stopped and I found this small cave, so I can use this cave as a shelter. But all these things are wet, so I think I must do something. Nettle everywhere, and after searching for a while, I've got another cave over here. It's a small natural cave and I can stay overnight here, so let's check it out. So this is a wonderful cave, so this will be my shelter for tonight. Now I have to search for food and drinking water, and see, it's already 3:40 p.m. Now I don't have much time. Before the darkness I have to find food and drinking water, and I have to light a fire also. A bit challenging for today since everything is wet. A lot of bamboo over there in the background. I'll cut some bamboos to fetch water and to cook some food. And even if I don't get any food, I'll find some bamboo shoots. I'll cook and then I'll eat that bamboo shoot for today. Now I can fetch water in one bamboo and cook whatever I get in this bamboo. Now I'll make trap for prawn with this plastic bottle. This is the easiest way to make a trap, but I'm not sure will I be able to get prawn or not. Let's see. Now I will find some earthworm or some crab. I'll put it inside this plastic bottle. Oh. This place is very narrow. I'll collect some crab and earthworm in this bamboo. Some earthworm. See, small crab. I found more crabs. So after searching for a while, I have found some crabs and earthworm. See. This much will do for today. Oh. So now I have got enough earthworm and crab to make a trap for prawn. Oh, this crab is trying to escape. It goes over there. Oh, see. Again, another crab wants to escape from here. I need this for evening. Another crab for evening. There is an ant over here. Ant infestation. So I have put some shrimp traps over here. If I'll be lucky, I'll get some shrimp, and that will be my food for evening. Let's see. I've got one more crab. Big one. seeing a lot of prawn over here, but it is small inside. I'll try to catch. Let's see. See over here, there are some prawn in the trap. See, I'll try to get more. Now I have set all the trap for prawn. Now it's time to search for drinkable water, and I'll fetch water in this bamboo. Look at this jungle. I'm finding this jungle really scary and interesting too. I have to go this way to search water. There is the water over here. I can collect this water for drinking. The water is dirty right now. I'll wait for some time so that it becomes clean. Now I'm back in my shelter. It's becoming dark, so I have to put fire as soon as possible. Since everything is wet, I think it will take a time. It will be a tough challenge for me to light a fire. So first I will search for firewoods, and then I will light a fire over here. As you can see, there are a lot of bamboos over here, and this bamboo will burn more quickly as compared to other firewoods. I am using this bamboo as a firewood for today. Now it has become dark, so I have light on my video light. I have to go to collect those prawn. Let's see how much I will get in the trap. Finally, I've got this much of prawn and crab here. 2 crab. So first I will wash this and start a fire. It has started raining heavily. You can see I became wet. So now my next challenge is to light a fire and cook this prawn. My meal for this evening is almost ready in the background. Oh, my meal for today. Good morning and welcome back once more again. So it's already morning and the night was very terrific. I couldn't sleep properly and there was a moderate rain at night. I think due to rain there was no activity sign of any wild animals, and the fire also gone off at night, and due to rain I couldn't collect any firewood, so I have to sleep without fire at night. And the whole environment was very scary. All this jungle was scary, and this rock too was a bit scary because there is a crack all over the rock, so there was a possibility of this rock falling upon me, so it was a bit scary. Thank God I survived. Now I'll put my shoes and look upon the surroundings. These socks are still wet, it didn't got dried. So finally my 24-hour challenge has been finished. So it was a very tough challenge for me as it rained heavily yesterday, so I find difficult to search some food. And even near the mountain river you may hear a different kind of sound and different kind of like a voice calling from behind, and you can hear like someone speaking nearby. So the mountain rivers are very scary, and in the darkness it multiplies by 10. So it was a very scary night for me, and I've completed my 24-hour challenge with no food, no shelter and no water. Hope this video may have served the purpose. See you in the next video.